I guess you guys seen the modules, right? So we'll try to cover at least 3 modules a day. So that we'll cover all the modules in 4 days, and fifth days we'll more focus on that this part and certification related stuffs. So to see all this, I have my setup and started my server. Okay, so I'll just give you an overview how SAP works. So yeah, so in local, basically, so as a business user, you don't need your local system when you work in your company. So that time it's not required. But currently, though, we are just doing trainings, right? So we will need the local setup to practice, because whenever you will get the SAP project in your company, so that time they will have their server setup and like dev, testing environment and production environment separately running in cloud servers. So local is not required, but for training, local is required. So I have the setup. I am uploading it in my Google Drive. I'll share it in some time. It's uploading. So I'll ask you to download this VMware workstation. I'll share the link. So once you download, and I'll share this link also. So I'll tell you the process how to load it, because doing the setup from scratch, it will take like at least a day time, so we don't want to waste that time. I'll share the setup step how I did it, so I'll brief this part also. Okay, is it okay for everyone?
To run this installation, do we need local admin rights?
Admin rights not required, but do you have admin rights for install any
No,
application, because this will
no,
be
we do
required?
not.
No,
We
no.
do not.
Okay, okay, okay. uh but you guys can request for it, right? If
Yes, but it will
Yeah.
take its time because we have some
okay.
kind of system. We can't do it at the minute.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, I know some companies don't allow. Even virtualization is required for that. But if that won't help, then
It's
we can do
okay.
one thing.
What we can do is you can show them in your system the practical things, and
Yeah,
I'll share the link to them to download or have it in their personal machines. So you
yeah, yeah.
can show it to you can show the practical things on your system on your setup.
Okay, okay, sure. Yeah. Okay. So meanwhile, my server is, I started the server just now, so it will take some time. So I'll just give you an overview how it works. So can you all see this name package? CXCOM 210500P and then underscore one, then this is some number, right? So this is basically defines the what SAP Commerce Cloud version we are using. So here I had this 2105. So SAP releases in every quarter. Okay. So basically in first 2 quarter they will release one version, like which generally happens. 05 means fifth month of the year. Okay, and another one they release 11th month of the year. So versions generally this part will remains like 2105 2111 or 2205 2211, like that. So I'm using the 2105, which means it it was released on 2021 fifth month of the year. Okay, and this is the patch number. Patch means in every software we do some upgrades, right? So first version is always underscore one, second will be two, three, four, five, like that. Okay, so whenever we are doing setup in a server, like you guys will be having in your company, once your SAP licensing and all those things are done, so that time you will see everything in the cloud, which SAP provides in portal.sap SAP cloud. So there we no need to do any setup, but in generally they will use the versioning like that. But in local we need this setup. So what it contains some build tools, Hybris. So this is our main part for the project, any project actually. And we have some installer, what SAP provides some recipes, CX China, CX China B2B, CX for Spartacus. This is also same thing, and this is also some similar thing. So CX is the basically our recipe. So what comes under CX is, under CX we get B2's three B2C sites and one B2B site, which is just for practice. What are those sites? One will get electronic store, just for practice purpose. So these three are B2C sites and this is the B2B sites. Okay. So we get all these 4 sites under CX. So I did the installation setup using CX. So this is the recipe what SAP provides. So once we do, then I'll get all these folders under Hybris. One is config, one is data folder, which will basically contains all the data. It can be catalog, it can be product, anything. And then these logs and all, we get it. And roles and temp is not required. And apart from that, custom is the one which will be our code. So whenever, for example, your company, you started your project, right? So you will not use these sites, correct? This 4 site you will not use. You need your custom own URLs because, for example, you are using Coca-Cola. So products will be related to Coca-Cola. URL will be something like www.coca-cola.com, like that. So those part comes under custom folder, which is where the package Hybris bin then custom. Custom means we are doing the customization on top of out of the box code. Out of the box, what SAP provides, that all contains here in modules. These all are the modules what SAP provides. Adaptive search, API registry, assisted service. So I'll give you brief of all the extensions. Like adaptive search means it comes with a search engine. Search engines means like Google. You guys heard about Elasticsearch, Solar, all those things, right? So SAP comes with a Apache Solar search engine, which is inbuilt with it. It comes under this whole platform. Okay. So adaptive search is the basically the project which SAP provides on out of the box to do the searching part in our SAP Commerce Cloud. Then there is API registry for any kind of API related stuff. Then it comes with assisted services. What is assisted services? Assisted services means in the same site we can do some customization using some true false flag, and in the same website like what customer is visiting, and same website we can use as a customer service module also, like CRM part basically. And then there are B2B accelerator, B2B accelerator add-on, B2B commerce. So we'll see all those things in the application level also. So I'm just giving you a brief of this. Then it comes with a back office related extensions, base accelerator, base commerce. Okay. And then China related sub, you guys know, right? In China market, it's always different set of rules comes with, right? So for China, SAP provides a variety of extension only to support the China market. So any company who wants to, expand their business in China, so they can use this accelerator, out of the box accelerator, and do their customization based on top of that. Then it comes with a cockpit. Basically it's something like product cockpit. You want to change a product description, product image, or those kind of stuffs you can do in product cockpit from back office. I'll show those in like practical part. And then it comes with a commerce services, commerce web services. So those are basically to configure the APIs, any kind of API. For example, you don't want to use Hybris front end, whatever SAP provides as a front end means the UI part. You want to use a React.js. So React.js support we don't have in SAP Commerce. So what we'll do, like as a business person, when you will be designing the story for your development team, you will design the stories to develop the APIs. And what development team will do, they will expose the APIs so that whatever the front end or UI team is there, they will connect the APIs and get the information, or perform some operation with the SAP Commerce Cloud, interact basically. Okay, then we have configurable bundles stuffs also. So what is bundle? uh, you guys might have known while working in the product section, like if any one of you worked in the product catalog. So there sometimes we need to give some bundling thing also, like for example, some product A, product B, if customer buy together, then they will get some $10 discount, like that. So bundling thing we can do out of the box also. So I'll show where it shows in the back office. And we have promotions related stuffs also under coupons, promotions, those kind of stuffs also we can do. And also SAP provides ticketing management also. Okay, so ticketing management is if you want to use the out of the box customer service module, which comes under tickets. So in the back office we can log in as a customer service agent, and any customer service ticket is assigned to me, I can work upon those. If any customization required, we can use those ticketing modules to customize. Okay. And it comes with subscription bundles and those kind of things. So subscription means it will support the subscription businesses also, like for example, I have three type of customer. Like for example, one is a retail, another is a wholesale, and third one is a consultant. So for consultant, you want to charge some certain amount of money for a whole year. So kind of subscription based, right? So those kind of support SAP also provides. Okay. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. And there is something called Smart Edit. Okay. So Smart Edit modules, what it is, it's basically kind of on the runtime without a deployment of the server, you can change any content. So SAP provides a WCMS, Web Content Management feature in SAP Commerce, where whatever the contents you see in a website, that you can update, delete, modify, whatever it is, you can do using the Smart Edit tool. I'll show you the tool, how it looks and how you can modify any content. So once you update it, it will automatically show in the website without any code changes, without any deployment. That's overall. And order management and those things I'll show in back office directly. So these all are the main modules. So we have to just keep this in mind. Custom is our customization code, whatever you guys are designing for your businesses. So that will comes under custom, and what SAP provide, that comes under modules. Okay. Okay. My server is started. So I'll just quickly, 1 second, still uploading. So I'll just cover this part from back office standpoint also, and this part also, business administration tools.
Maybe while the server is loading, maybe we should give a little bit more explanation on what is our background and knowledge commonly in this group. We are quite beginners all in e-commerce, yeah, just that
Okay.
you understand, yeah. And we are in
Yeah,
the
well, you can start with some basic stuff for them first. I was
okay.
messaging you also. Start
It
with
was
Okay.
something
now
which is,
very impressive. All the different modules. Yeah, we are not the programmer. We are operational. In
Mhm.
the we have a group development which will be adapted and set up for operational usage in the country. So these
Something to be, Mhm.
yeah, the
Because
operational part
they
is
want
much more
something
important.
started from the basic level directly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Just
Okay.
want to let you know what is our
Okay. Okay.
future
Sure.
scope.
Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure. Yeah. So like whatever I'll be
Yeah, I
covering,
have
like
given you, like I have written it in the chat also.
okay, sure. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, server is started. Okay. So I'll go from basic standpoint for what we get. Okay. So commerce, you guys have idea, right? Like for example, a typical commerce, traditional commerce, how it's operated from a operation standpoint. There will be a warehouse or some back office people will be there, right? Who will be fulfilling of the orders or some kind of stuffs, like they will change the product price on which product is in stock. Those kind of operation we perform in a like back office related job in a traditional business, correct? So same thing, like whatever it happens in a traditional business, we get it in a technology part. If we involve a technology, what we need to do, we need to replace that manual job what happens in a back office, right? Somebody may be writing a Excel sheet or just a pen paper to keep a track on the products, keep a track on the stocks, or any changes related to the price. So those kind of tasks which we perform in a traditional business in a pen paper, those we can perform in SAP Commerce Cloud using their technology, whatever they are providing through two basic tools. What is that basic tool? This is called Hybris Administration Console. Okay. So this is generally used by the technical persons of your company. They can perform some kind of configurations. They can perform some kind of system update to load data or anything stuffs. Okay. And they can monitor also, like they want to monitor the cache, they can monitor anything here in the Hybris Administration Console. They can run some scripts or anything. So this is more of a technical part. Okay. So I'll go deep in this, but for now, just to understand this tool will be used by your technical persons. You guys can also use it once you expert, but mostly this is helpful towards the development team. This Hybris Administration Console. So this is the one basic tool which is used in a day-to-day life of a SAP Commerce Cloud business person or a technical person. And then here it comes with a back office. Can you see the URL? What is this called? Back office. Let it load. Okay. So in a traditional business, anything related to order management, customer, like what my customer is buying, what they want to buy, those kind of stuffs, we perform in back office. There is a like backend team who basically works in like Excel or pen paper. I say, as I said, right? So those stuffs we can perform in Hybris back office. Is it clear?
Till now, yes.
Okay. Okay. Let it load. I'll show you. So just try to relate. Okay. I'll give you one suggestion. Just try to relate whatever is technical with a like very basic traditional business. Then you'll be able to understand like what e-commerce is doing. It's nothing different from a regular commerce. It's same. It's just we are smoothing our life with technology. That's it. Okay. Are you all able to see the interface? How it looks?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So this is SAP logo. Okay. And we have some buttons here, right? So this is for logout button. This is for some kind of settings and all. And this has like localization part. And this is some to-do list. This will show some like processes are running or not. Like any process which is running in the back office that it will show during that time. Okay. And this has some like user related. So I'll go in details later. And this part, can you all see like home, inbox, system, catalog, multimedia, user, order, price settings, internalization, marketing, WCMS, cockpit, base commerce, deep link URLs, rule engine, ticket system, B2B approval process, merchandising, B2B commerce, personalization. What it's called? It's called widgets. Do you have any idea about widgets? Anyone?
I think we all have the basic ideas.
Yes.
More everything from the operational side. So no one of us is a developer or anything like that.
Okay. Yeah,
So
but
I think
widgets. Yeah.
we know mainly what is, but not in we don't have a deep dive.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Yeah, so widgets basically just think it as a some kind of feature of your application. You guys might have some, like for example, Android apps, right? There also you get some features, some buttons you click. This will, or maybe just for example, you want to book some tickets. You go to a ticket booking application, and there you will see some like three lines or three dot. There you click, where you can see your previous bookings, where you can see your details, for example upcoming bookings, or any kind of refund is is initiated, or some kind of payment failure. Those kind of things you check in your application through some buttons, right? Even in your traditional business, there will be like if someone is maintaining data in Excel, right? In Excel also, if you click on a tab, or for example you want to check the last previous order, you get some filters. You click on those filters, you check, okay, last month this much of order was placed, like that. So just consider this widgets as some kind of feature buttons where you can perform operations related to your commerce, e-commerce. Okay. So I'll first cover for today's topic, which is catalogs and products, media management, and this web content management. Okay. So which is for catalog? Tell me which button I should click from this
Catalog.
widget. Correct. And for web content management, this one, right? WCMS, web content management. For order, I want to check some orders. Where I will check? I'll check under order. So if I click any of the button, it will expand and it will show me some more buttons, what I want to check, right? So for our topic for now, catalog is the topic, right? So can someone tell what is a catalog in a very simple sentence?
With our series, it's a list of products with a description and
Cor-
of products.
Correct. So if I give you a simple example, like you went to a restaurant, you ask for a menu card, right? What is available? And you see like what to order from that list of menu card. So it's the same thing. Okay. So in catalog we have, so we call it PCM, product catalog management. Sorry, product content management. We call it a PCM in SAP Hybris or SAP Commerce Cloud. So all this PCM, which widget we click? The catalog widget. So it comes with catalogs, catalog versions, categories, product variant, units, keywords, classification system, configuration. So classifications and all will not jump in now. We'll first focus on the catalogs. Okay.